Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, power convenience group, CD player, trip computer, compass, SiriusXM Satellite Radio, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.